Alright, hi guys, so this is Deidre. She is one of the models for Clay Fashion Queens and Nobles event. It will be on the July, the 2nd of July. This month, next month, this year is what I meant to say. And I'll be doing a series. So once a week, you'll be seeing a model that I've done from the House of Clay, not Clay Fashion, sorry, House of Clay. And it's basically just to promote the event that they're having. House of Clay, they're the designers who did my wedding dress for me. And I have another wedding coming up, and they're the ones who will be designing that dress as well. I will definitely be sure to tag them on Instagram. What else? Yeah, so I'm working with them. I'm doing a collaboration with them where I provide the makeup as well and promotion on my YouTube channel. And she's one of my best friends, CEO Keisha Allen, and our good up husband Kavan Allen, and them good up children, Tahila, hi Tahila, and Kara, hi Kara Karis. So these are my best friends, best of friends, some of my bestest friends. And I thought, you know what, I might help a sister out. So I'll be doing makeup, I'll be doing a series. I have 2 more models that you'll be seeing over the course of the weeks. And we'll be doing different type of makeup. Now this makeup that I'm doing, this is morning wedding makeup, and I used some little techniques that may not be that obvious. And of course I'll be having my classes in Florida this year, September 7th through to the 9th. It is $595, but if you register before the 1st of August, June, July, August, yeah, you get $100 off. Not only that, the first 10 students gets the Dipped in Elegance Pour Me by Lyric brush set absolutely free. And in addition to that, each student that will be attending will be receiving goodie bags filled with brush folio, beauty blenders, and Juvia's Place palettes. I'm turning the heat up, boo. Florida, una get the best of me. That me I telling you right about now. Translation: Florida, you are getting the most I've ever offered, and that is actually a fact. Not just goodie bag wise, but offered in terms of skill. Since my last class, I've really gotten into doing a lot of bridal makeup. I can now differentiate between morning makeup, afternoon makeup, and the evening makeup. And it's just, and I just feel accomplished having knowing that even graduation makeup, pictures for makeup for photography, and even for film, the techniques are different, and that's what I want to bring to my classes. That is what I want to teach you guys, things I don't do here on YouTube, because people who do their makeup on YouTube do their makeup on YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, it's not tailor suited. I'm not saying nobody does that, but I'm just saying what I do is not tailor suited for the everyday person. It's tailor suited for me. I can show different techniques that you may or may not use, but at the end of the day, I'm still doing my makeup to my preference. Other people complain that my makeup is too heavy, it doesn't match, it doesn't this. That's just my preference. If you have a preference and if you want to learn how to apply makeup both on you and also on the clients, then come out. And I want to I'm introducing something new for my classes as well. And that is actually the business aspect of it, how to promote yourself, how to get started, how to maintain a business. I am a very successful businesswoman selling fitness belts, lashes, brushes, and branching off into other endeavors, you know, which will be released soon. But yeah, so this, again, as I said, is the very first installment of my collaboration with House of Clay, Queens and Nobles. It's going to be at the Eden Garden, Eden Garden, the 2nd of July, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I've been promoting it on my Instagram. It's also on their Instagram, House of Clay. Please check it out. Please show your support. All it is a like. All I have to do is click like. Just click like on this video, and also on and click follow on their Instagram as well to help promote. So as you can tell, I'm using a lot of Juvia's Place palettes, and I'm of course using my brush set from my Dipped in Elegance line. This is the very first brush set that I created. That I created. So you're getting this, and I don't know when I'm going to release this. Oh, look at Kara. That's Kara. That's House of Clay. That's their daughter. Look at her. She's too sweet. I'm just seeing her. Can you imagine? I edited this video and I did not see Kara in the video. That's crazy. But yeah, I am doing so much, you guys, between editing and going to meetings, and we finally got the medium fitness belt, the medium pull-me fitness belt, and I'll be doing a full video on that. I'm so behind on my video making. I just feel like a bum, but you know, your girls, I'm gonna be on it. Just give me until next week. Let me just edit all these videos. Give me till next week, and I'm gonna be on my filming. I have a lot of updated stuff to do. My weight, oh my god, my weight is shifting. My waist is coming in. I'm getting quads. I'm getting booty. I feel like it's like a chit chat get ready with me video, except I am not getting ready and I'm just chit chatting. Yeah, so I'm gonna let the music play from this point out. But Queens and Noble, June 2nd, 2 p.m. July 2nd, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eden Garden. See you guys there. I'll be there. You must be there.
The boy style, wicked and wild in a guitar style. Try no seminar, trick or bribe, no strings attached like when a guitar spoil. Girl, you are my girl, you just don't know yet. Just wait till you get to know me. It's out of the let's go lyric.
The bass, the cello, the violin, mellow, strings.
God bless. DJ. Them after now, friend on there again. Them quick to sell out like hot bread. Friend on there again. Them vex cause you alive and not dead. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who know me love life and don't want to see 10. Who do they for me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who not call me name to the police them. Who did they for me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Hey, they make me feel say I'm me bro them. You woulda think say I'm my mother grow them. Can't believe say I'm me them deceive. No me can't believe I'm me for them. And some of them, hey, come a connect like a modem. But them a act like the star in the show them. And if you're smart, don't leave them around your wife cause them a not take no one show them. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who know me love me life and don't want to see 10. Who did they from me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who not go call me name go to the police them. Who did they from me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10 them. Real friend is real hard to find. Something to bear in your mind. Some of them will say them are your friend and make you go in a jail go serve time. Oh you are. Some of them is smiling on your face. In on your back them have a 9. Better try see the signs of the time. And please don't go on like you're blind. And just big up your real friend, when no pretend. Who not charge your name go to the police them. Who did it from you have your 33 10 and still they both know when you have your Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who not call me name go to the police them. Who did it from me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Friend on there again. Them quick fi sell out like hot bread. Friend on there again. No for them vex when them see you not dead. Friend on there again. Them want see you turn crackhead. Friend on there again. As me see before, them is true, them is not dead. Why me up? Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who them real and no fake like me dream them. Who they do for me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Who not call me name go to the police them. Who they do for me have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, culture Linden straight but a straight and nobody can lean then. Who they do for we have me 33 10 and still they both know when me have me Z10. Big up me real friend, when no pretend. Them I watch you like the screen them. No bother bad man, cause I feel them. God bless. Hey boy DJ. I mean I said I want to have straight out of street out of studio. Don't know the thing go. I want to slowly but surely. Lord will come through it, you don't know the thing go. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for. I no reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, I make devil leave ya. Got a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza after the streeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, cause me no preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord, him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord, him a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face a reaper. With my sneaker me bun devil like a Easter. With a eater me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down pandemnesia. Devil have to run like same is a pack of zebra or a river. Me no in and no eager, no hurry neither. Man a Solomon a coulda what do Shiva. But surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me tell them. Him never fail not a one fox. Satan in cunning like a one fox. Anytime me want help God me contact. Walk by faith so me don't want no contact. And me say the most I send him son fi die for me. So me have to big up me grandpa. So all when me dey a studio I lay down a one track. Me stay on track like a arm track. Slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me tell them. Right, I know what me feel for. I no reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza after the streeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, cause me no preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me tell them. Tell them. Tell them, tell them, tell them. Tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them.
There is one avenue else. So this is Too Faced Cosmetics Sex Spot. Lashes name Ruth, very beautiful.
God bless. Praising God. I am why the HA. We're praising God. Even the answer we don't need no prophecy. Praising God. All of we want for the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we wanna wait. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where. Lead like a fast car, speed like an all-star. Yes I am real African star. So me ask them what me stop in one car. Them they want see me up in that car. Up with the bike with over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I spanner every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got scar. And they be no disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan cause it's like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna wait. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where God are the solid rock.